Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm excited to share a new video with you today. In this video, I'll be addressing a common issue on TikTok, the tapping too fast, take a break error. This error occurs when you like and follow too many people without taking breaks. I'll show you how to fix this problem step by step. Before we begin, I kindly ask that you watch this video until the end and consider subscribing to my channel if you're new here. Don't forget to like and comment on the video and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Now, let's dive into the solution. First, open your TikTok app. Next, tap on your account options. Then, tap on the three lines in the top corner. Select Settings and Privacy from the options. Scroll down until you find the Report a Problem option. Tap on Report a Problem and then select Follows, Likes, and Comments. Tap on Likes and then select Tapping too fast. Choose No when prompted and then select Need more help. Briefly explain your issue, such as experiencing the tapping too fast, take a break error.